Welcome to the course of CS 401 Computer Graphics. In this video, we'll be starting with the Module 1. The Module 1 of Computer Graphics consists of basic concepts in computer graphics and different types of graphic devices, that is, the input devices and output devices. Input devices like interactive graphic inputs and output devices like raster scan and random scan display. So we'll start with the basic concepts in computer graphics. Okay, before going into the basic concept, we'll talk about the origin of computer graphics. The phrase computer graphics was coined in 1960 by computer graphics researchers Werner Hudson and William Fetter of Bonn. It is often abbreviated as CG and typically in context of film as computer generated imagery or CGI. So, what is computer graphics? Computer graphics is the branch of computer science that deals with generating images with the aid of computers. So that was basically what is computer graphics. Computer graphics is a core technology in digital photography, film, video games, cell phone and computer displays, and many specialized applications. A great deal of specialized hardware and software has been developed, and with displays of most devices being driven by this computer graphics hardware. Okay. Computer graphics is responsible for displaying art and image data effectively and meaningfully to the consumer. It is also used for processing image data received from physical worlds such as photo and video content. Computer graphics development has had a significant impact on many types of media and has revolutionized animation, movies, advertising, video games, and graphic design in general. The term computer graphics has been used in a broad sense to describe almost everything on computers that is not text or sound. Okay. But if we talk, typically the term computer graphics refers to several different things the representation, representation and manipulation of image data by a computer, the various technologies used to create and manipulate images, methods for digitally synthesizing and manipulating visual content, like that. So, if you summarize what is computer graphics, it refers to the creation, storage, and manipulation of pictures and drawings using digital computer. Now we will see different graphics applications. Computer graphics is used in diverse fields, routinely, in science, engineering, medicine, business, industry, government, art, entertainment, advertising, education, training. Um, there is a whole lot of application for uh, computer graphics. So here we're going to see some of these applications. Okay, so some of them computer aided design, presentation graphics, computer art, entertainment, education and training, visualization, image processing, and graphical user interfaces. So first one is computer aided design. Computer graphics is used in design of engineering and architectural systems such as buildings, automobiles, aircrafts, watercraft, spacecraft, computers, textile, and almost all products nowadays are computer design. It's basically uh, the CAD is basically used for any kind of product design. Okay. So in the first stage of the design, the objects are displayed in wireframe format that shows the overall shape and internal details of the objects. Like this is a wireframe image of an aircraft. Okay, so like this it will be in wireframe format, and as the object design are complete, when the object design are complete, lighting and shading models are applied, and we get the final display of the product. Now, similarly, networks for communication, water supply, everything can be designed using um, CAD, using some kind of graphic packages. In these graphic packages, it consists of some standard shapes that can be placed in appropriate positions, and the packages will provide automatic connections between these components, and it is easier for people to design uh, uh, electrical connections or water supply connections and network for communication, etc., easily. Okay, and animations are also used in CAD applications. So, by using animations, realistic displays of architectural designs uh, are possible, and it will permit simulator walk through the rooms of a building. So, it gives basically a virtual reality systems. Okay. Similarly, uh, using a computer aided designs, it can provide multi windows like this, so that if you're working for uh, when you're designing a thing, you can see different views of the same thing in multiple windows and work like that. Okay, so that is computer aided design, which is basically used for any kind of product designs. Okay, that is the first application. Then second one is presentation graphics. Presentation graphics is an area of computer graphics in which slides are designed to be used with projectors. Okay. It is used to summarize financial, statistical, mathematical, scientific, and economic data for reports. The data can be represented in the form of bar charts, graphs, line charts, pie charts, intersected surfaces like this. Okay, bar charts like this, line charts, intersected surfaces, pie charts, etc. So this is basically presentation graphics. The graph are basically used to uh, design. Graphs are basically used to display the mathematical, statistical, financial, scientific, and economic data. Okay, that's the second application. Then the third application is computer art. Um, Computer graphics uses many techniques uh, in fine art and commercial art applications, like cartoon drawing, painting, product advertisements, logo designs, etc., etc., etc. So artists use variety of techniques, uh, such as some kind of paint packages or CAD packages or some specialized hardware or animation packages for uh, for creating art. Okay, so artists can use a digitizer and stylus which can be used to paint pictures. So they can create the art. Morphing is also a technique used in computer art in which we can transform the images. Okay. That's all about computer arts. These are some computer arts or digitally developed cartoon or painting. Okay. Then another application is in the industry of entertainment. That is, it can be used in movie industries, gaming industries, etc. Uh, Basically, it is used for entertainment. In movie industries, it's used to develop motion pictures, music videos, television shows, and it's also used for making cartoon animation films, etc. And it's also used in the gaming industry to create games. So these are some of the examples. Then um, another major application is in education and training. Computer generated models of physical, financial, and economic systems are used as educational aids. Okay, the models of physical systems, physiological systems, population trends, or equipments like color coded diagrams like these help the trainees to understand the system operations effectively. Okay, um, this is an example of a color coded image. Okay, then specialized systems used for training applications, simulators for practice sessions, training training of ship captains, aircraft pilots, heavy equipment operators, air traffic control personnel, etc. Mm, are used. So this is a simulator. A simulator like this is helping in training ship captains, aircraft pilots, etc. Then visualization, another application of computer graphics. Scientific visualizations deals with producing graphical representations for scientific, engineering, and medical data sets. And business visualization is used in connections with data sets related to commerce, industry, and other non scientific areas. Basically, it helps in visualizing anything in work. So, scientific visualizations, it will be basically um, used in visualizing uh, visualizing things for the scientific work. In business applications, business related data like commerce, industry, non-scientific areas are all the non-scientific areas could be visualized using the data sets. Okay, so these are some of the examples of visualization. So you can see you can visualize it easily using some of the computer graphics tools. Then image processing. Okay, this for we have already seen visualization. So in visualization, you use this image processing techniques along with the visualization techniques to uh, to develop this scientific or business visualizations. Okay. Image processing applies techniques to modify or interpret existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans. Okay. So it is mainly used in medical applications, for picture enhancements, tomography, simulations of operations, ultrasonic and nuclear medicine scanners, etc. So this is an example of image processing which help in picture enhancement. Okay, there are many other applications for image processing. We are going to see some basic concepts in image processing in the last module. Um, so it can be used for improving the picture quality, the machine in order to um, um, uh, for machine perception of visual informations in robotics. This has many applications. Okay. So that's about image processing. Then finally we have graphical user interface. Graphical user interface, it's something that we use in a daily basis. That is, all the software packages nowadays will provide a graphical provides some kind of graphical interface. So major component are there will be some window managers to manage multiple window areas. Then to make a particular window active, you will have to click in that window using some kind of interactive pointing devices. Okay, and there will be interfaces, uh, displays like menus, icons, etc. And you know all about what is menus and icons and things like that. That is a graphical user interface. This graphical user interfaces in software packages helps the users to easily use it. So that this is also an something that is developed using computer graphics. Okay, so these are some of the basic concepts in computer graphics. uh, in the next uh, videos we will see about different input devices and then output devices specifically used for graphics. Okay, thank you.